everyone, Mike here, and today we are hitting some more Japanese commercials. And unlike the last one, this one I already know is several commercials and not just one long one. Don't know specifically what we are gonna see here. I always have my preferences. I don't know if they still do the SoftBank dog father ones. It's been a while since I've watched a proper compilation, so we'll have to see if they still do those. Even if they don't, I expect some good ones because Japanese commercials are always so much fun. All right, let's get in here and play. Oh, what? It's the cat ones. I've seen these ones. I preferred the real cat. Games where the whole objective is you giving them money. I don't really play a lot of mobile games. You guys aren't getting my money. Number one! Yeah! Ooh, something! Where's the dog? Yay! See the whole commercial. I was just waiting for Father Dog to show up. Victory. Ooh. I've never had a proper Japanese steamed bun. I want to try one sometime. This song always makes me think of Rush Hour, because that movie was the first time I heard this song. Oh! Ooh! That actually looks... I don't know what it was either. See, I'm kind of glad I had dinner before I watched these, because this would definitely be making me really hungry. They still look good, but yeah, this would definitely be making me really hungry if I had not eaten beforehand. Ooh, takoyaki. Is that supposed to be like a version of 02? Because that's what it kind of looks like. A little bit. Wow, Pikmin! I haven't seen Pikmin in forever. Of course, I think a fan comic that included Pikmin was one of the funniest things involving that game that I've ever seen. Park. So, and it's because I wasn't paying attention. I'm guessing this is a game. Yes. Okay, yeah. Yeah, it's a game. Of course, I probably would realize that if I just looked down to where it says Sega. Ugh. Demon Slayer. Oh, because the movie. So they got all the Demon Slayer merch. And just because it's, really popular. But also mostly because it's a movie. I will say, these things do make the products look more interesting than American commercials do. Got a ramen, cup ramen, like the equivalent. Ooh, those look good. Yeah, really. Don't litter. That looks good. Of course, we don't have that kind of instant ramen here. McDonald's commercial. McDonald's has a lot of foods in Japan that I want to try because we don't have them here. Like that. Looks really good. I was looking at a Japanese McDonald's menu the other day. It looks really good. Oh, Evangelion. I never liked Evangelion. And the only reason I phrase it that way is because I know I've said it before in one of these same Japanese commercial videos. Yeah, it was just never one that I got into. Tried it a couple times, but if you're going to show all these movie trailers, are they going to show one for the Sailor Moon Eternal movie? Whenever that's supposed to come out, I know it got delayed due to the whole virus thing. Ooh, what do we got here? A Chumley watch. Huh. Ace Cook. And more mobile games. You guys aren't tricking me. You'll get no money out of me. You with your mobile games there. It was... That is Asahi. I thought Asahi was just a beer company. I didn't know they made other things. I think there's stuff to turn off there. All right, that was fun. I got to see the SoftBank dog. That's always nice. I mean, a part of me misses the simpler ones where it's just the family, but then I guess how many times can you really use that same thing? I'm lucky. I think guess we're lucky we still got the dog in there. Some good food commercials, a little reference to the Demon Slayer movie. This was a good batch. I have missed my batches of Japanese commercials. I love these. They're so much fun. And as I've expressed many times, they're so much better than the American ones. American commercials are boring. Put in more effort. All right. As I've mentioned on a few videos now, I am doing a Christmas card exchange. Want to send me a Christmas card this year? I will send you one in return. You can send them to this address right here. And then shortly before Christmas, I will do a little live stream opening the cards that I receive. All right, that's all I've got on this one. So, until next time.